I believe it's right here. Make sure. I'm quite excited to show you this. Cooperate with me, Bull. Uncasing video.
Declaring your love for them.
Yeah. Then the
Please
next
step away from the fruit bowl.
Get the future.
Woo! Let's get to the fun part of this video.
Oh, I just went there.
I'm a redhead, and we're going to do an unboxing with Tom, who's eating something. This is our unboxing.
Yeah.
A box of
Turn the
cookies.
camera on a bit late, sorry about that.
Yeah. Okay.
Orange chocolate biscuits.
The taste was just so good. Anyway, welcome to another really good unboxing episode. The real episode.
How you doing?
I'm fine. How are you doing?
I'm good.
Today's a special day, but YouTube won't know that because YouTube is YouTube. But I'm older and not wiser.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Bushra. Happy birthday to you.
It was Wheelie Good's birthday in October of this year.
Hello.
First year.
Did you know, music fact, happy birthday is actually a waltz.
No, I didn't.
There you go, see?
Well,
Move on. What are we doing?
we talk too much. We are about to put a bomb on the table. No, I'm joking.
Bam.
You see my pun there, it didn't work, it was awful. Bam box!
That's some dodgy framing you got there. Come here.
But you want to see my pretty face!
Oh well. What is Bam Box? I don't know.
Bam box is another subscription box with a difference. They too do themes monthly, on a monthly basis, but they supply autographed goodies.
What, literally like, I'm famous, have my signature?
Yes,
Bosh.
yes, because they are in partnerships with a lot of Comic-Con
right.
events and stuff, and you know,
So they sit
auction stuff, so
in large, sweaty rooms with nerdy people going, sign this please, sign this please,
Yeah.
sign this please. Oh.
yeah, it's like a convention run. So let's get to it. We're about to share on Facebook, share on YouTube, and share on Instagram and Twitter. So watch out for us, Bam Box, we're coming. And the box opens. For those, if I haven't mentioned it, this is October's box. Yes, we are a bit late, but
Oh, we're always late.
blame him.
What do you mean blame me?
I feel better when they blame me. Shit.
Be more ruthless with your scheduling. Moving on. Oh,
Come in frame, man. You're out of frame.
I don't know what to see anyway.
I wouldn't see you. Chucky! A Chucky pin. This shall be in my room forever and always. This is a Chucky pin.
Oh, right.
Classic Chucky.
I thought you meant Chucky from Rugrats, so I know what you meant.
No, I doubt he turned into a ruthless killer. Yes, this is October's box. It is named Watching, so I'm not going to look into this booklet just yet. I'm going to open the box instead. Do you want to look at this? I don't really.
Wait a minute. It's probably not a good idea to open them, is it? Oh, this is the sign.
Opening the flap of what contains goodies. And we have crepe paper.
Whoa!
My favorite.
I don't know, man.
What don't you know?
It's a bit cheap and plasticky. I don't know.
It's a good pen.
Alright, I'll try it.
I already see something familiar. But I'm gonna go with the small boxes first. This is a BAM exclusive. It is called Hollywood Horror. It's a puzzle cube. But I want to see if there is any cards in here. Okay. You get masks as well.
Yeah. I think I saw a mask in there.
Entertaining message out.
So Bush was old. And she's so concerned about making sure she got the right presents. She actually wrote a list of presents that she wanted on.
That was a joke, okay?
Yeah.
And anyway, that list wasn't completed for me.
Oh, you mean there's more?
There's always more.
There's always more things.
Puzzle cube in the shape of a Rubik's cube.
That is a puzzle cube. Whoa.
Trying to work out the... Oh, this is the kind of thing that they had in Hellraiser, isn't it?
Yeah.
That puzzle cube. Do you remember? Oh, is he gonna come out and kill me? Oh, you play with
That's
it.
kind of cool. If I'm entirely honest, it's not quite as solid as a Rubik's Cube.
It's so plastic.
Yeah, it's a bit plasticky. And the printing is okay. Is it? Yeah. Yeah, it's just stickers. It's a Rubik's Cube. To be honest, it feels like it's going to break in my hands.
It's plastic.
Look at that. Yeah, but proper Rubik's Cube, you could kill a small child with a proper Rubik's Cube. Don't kill small children. Do you know, I actually had a Rubik's Cube that was circular. It's kind of interesting.
Guys, I have a confession to make.
Oh, is it about the thing in the oh, no.
I'm actually Ghostface's wifey.
That explains a lot.
This is actually signed, right?
Oh, so not all the stuff is signed then, no?
No, not all of it. Just some of it. This BAM box has been... I can't read that. It's a certificate of authenticity. I can't remember the actor's name. What was his name? People. I just can't read the signature. Signed mask by the guy who plays Ghostface in the Scream movies. What else do we have? Ooh! Ooh, Five Nights at Freddy's. This seems to be... Ooh! Tom, you like this?
What? Because it's got a kiss on it.
Yes, music minute.
I can't see where the signature is.
This is a magazine. advertising Kiss and Five Nights at Freddy's on the back. I would like to say it's a comic rather than a magazine because it says issue 1. I'm always frightened to open comics really because I don't want them to get ruined.
I've noticed something that might be quite interesting.
What's that? There's another science thing here,
Let's do that.
but I want to look at this first. Smart. Hello, my name is Ash Houseware.
What? Hello, my name is Ash. What?
I don't know what this is a reference to, but it's a name tag. Another signed autograph here, and oh my god! 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 Oh my god!
What is it?
Artwork. You're not into it.
I don't know who these people are.
90s horror stuff.
I was practicing drums and watching old VHSs of Led Zeppelin and Black Sabbath.
I'm kind of sad that I didn't get a one-up item, but
There's one other sign theme.
nope, that's it. That's it. So, not a bad box, but did you find out what this was a reference to?
I found this. You started having mindgasms over the sign stuff, so I stopped.
I love science stuff. Anyone who knows what this is, please tell us because we want to know and the booklet's not really helpful. I have a feeling that Tom wasn't impressed with the
I
box.
don't. No. It all feels a bit plasticky and a bit cheap. Like, feel that mask.
You make a good ghost face. In my opinion, not a bad box, but so few items. A little bit disappointed. I would give that box a 6 out of 10.
Really?
Yeah. So this was Bandbox. I don't remember what you think.
Can we do a foodie one now?
I don't have the food one.
Oh.
I didn't bring it. Because we're going to eat anyway.
Alright then. Yeah, stuff. I actually saw something in there that said it was signed by Linda Blair. I know who she is.
Yeah, it was a one-up opportunity.
How much was it?
This box was 40 quid.
There we go.
Yeah, we shall go. That was Bandbox. There is another Bandbox on its way.
What? Have you done it again?
I kind of forgot. So.
Fucking hell, Bushra, that's expensive for that box of
Tell the people.
tap. God. I'm sorry, I don't think it's all that. It's all a bit cheap, it's all a bit plasticky.
We'll
Get
see.
one autographed item.
2. There's 2 in there. And this comic that I don't know. Don't have respect for Kiss.
Oh, they're alright. They were alright, but they're ancient. I remember watching a program over here in the UK where Gene Simmons, the bass player for Kiss, if you don't know who Kiss are, they were a rock band in the 70s. Big on makeup, big on hair, big on blah blah. Anyway, they're also big on business and putting their names to things. Lunchboxes, pleasurable toys, merchandise, dolls, all the rest of it. And Gene Simmons, the lead singer of Kiss, did this program where he taught some kids how to play rock music. And he got another person from another very classic band to come and do a kind of workshop with him. And he got completely schooled by this one guy, Tony Iommi from Black Sabbath. And it was so funny. Because Gene Simmons likes to think that he's a shiz and he's alright.
He used to be alright.
No, he is alright now. They always used to be alright. That's a bone of contention. Right there. It's hard to get inspired when it's just like...
I have to admit that box was a bit disappointing.
You liked it more than me, that's fair enough. But I was never really into...
Maybe that's because
Probably if you gave me a box full of progressive rock paraphernalia and autographs, I'd probably piss my pants.
Yeah.
And you'd be sitting there going, what?
Yeah.
Who's Marillion? But that's right.
Who is Bernie?
Marillion, they were an English progressive rock band. They might still around.
I have no idea.
Oh,
Anyway,
bye.
there is another band box coming.
You tell me you cancelled it after that.
I haven't got to it yet.
Which one?
And a few more other videos on their way. I have some thoughts on Apple that I would like to share.
Touch bar.
Yes. Look out for a cam chat episode. And I'm signing off on my birthday. Bye.